So here's a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know that it's still on. Maybe you can feel vibrations or hear notifications or something coming in. Or another way to tell if the tablet is on, even though the screen doesn't turn on, is you can plug the power cable in there and you hear that chime, boop, boop. Okay, now take note that this one here is actually fixed, but we're gonna pretend I have a black screen here. And I'm gonna give you a really easy fix here that should help 50% of you guys, okay? Only 50%, okay, but it's a super easy fix. So let's pretend my screen here is black, okay? The screen is not coming off. So this is what you guys gotta do. Let's go ahead and turn it over and let's pull the battery out, okay? So turn it over and then look for that little groove. See this little groove here? So I can jam your fingernail in there and just pry the whole back plate off. So let me go ahead and take this out. So as soon as you get a little one side off, then you can just go ahead and just walk it around all the way down, just like that. So here's the battery. Now I want to go ahead and take it out. Make sure the battery's out. Now the power button is right here on the top. What we're gonna do is just spam it a bunch of times, in and out, because like a jammed power button or you got stuff in there, it can cause a black screen and other things as well, okay? So we just spammed it a bunch of times. Now I'm gonna press and hold the power button, press and hold for 30 seconds. Just keep on holding. Basically with this, we're draining the excess battery that's still a little bit in the tablet, okay? After 30 seconds, let go of the power button. And now we're gonna go ahead and pop the battery back in, make sure it's in correctly. And then from here, you wanna go ahead and turn it back on. Just hold the case here, just in case we need to pull the battery out again. Just tap on that power button and see if you can see the screen, okay? If you can't see the screen, no problem. Do the same thing again, okay? Go ahead and drop that battery out. Go and find your power button. The battery's out. Find the power button here, and the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and spam it a bunch of times. And then we're gonna hold for 30 seconds again. Press and hold for 30 seconds. Do not let go. After 30 seconds is up, go ahead and let go, and we're gonna go ahead and pop the battery back in. Again, make sure it's in correctly. I'm gonna pop this in here. I'm gonna hold it just like this so the battery doesn't come out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the tablet on. And hopefully it is now working. Now if it's not working, repeat the same steps. Try it at least 7 times. And I'm gonna say at least 50% of you guys will have a working screen. So if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Good luck, guys.